Yeah, good morning, everyone. So, most of the markets are showing positive trend. The US market was also positive and hitting S&P 500 and Nasdaq are hitting all-time highs. Whereas the Asian markets are also showing positive trend. This is all against dollar index, which has shown yesterday some corrections, but today are showing some marginal up move. In last few days, dollar index had shown up move, which is a bit cautionary, whereas the direction of the equity market are mostly positive. So a bit cautious stand, whereas overall market is showing positive trend. In even in commodity also, we are seeing oil moving up. It's same time on the Friday. It is now almost up by around $2. Again, some fresh geopolitical tensions emerging, which is causing this oil moving up. So again, here bit cautionary stand, whereas aluminum and coppers are down by around 0.5%, and iron ore seeing some positive trend of around 1% plus. Overall seems positive start, but need to be careful during the day. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you, sir. Morning, all of this is Swati. Today, the market is likely to open with a gap of opening, as Sir has specified that all the Asian markets are doing very well, showing a positive indications, and we're likely to witness some good move during the day. On the technical front, as of now, the immediate resistance may lies at around 23,570, which might we get a new high on the Nifty as well. So if it surpasses that level, then more upside can be seen in the coming few trading sessions towards to 23,700 levels on the high side. Whereas on the downside, as of now, the support is placed at around 23,400. It's purely on an intraday basis. If it's closed or trade below that level, then we might witness some sort of a profit booking, which might take a Nifty towards 23,340 to 23,270 levels on the downside. The overall view is positive because the index is really doing very well from the last few trading session. On daily basis, it's quoting a new high. So one can hold their long positions as long as Nifty sustains about 23,300 levels on the basis. Coming towards the Bank Nifty is in the formations of a flat pattern on a daily chart, and it just under the consolidation phase. We might get some upper move beyond 50,300 levels. If it's break that level, then more upside can be seen towards to 50,440, 50,700 levels on the high side. Whereas on the downside, the support is placed at around 40,000, 49,800. Below that level, 49,600, 570 are the good support levels. So the view is definitely positive on these indices as well. So one should hold as long as the Bank Nifty sustains above 49,800 levels on the closing basis. Coming to the Fin Nifty, 22,500, 22,580 are the crucial resistance level. On the flip side, the support is placed at around 22,320, 22,210. Coming towards the stock specific, Alembic really looks good on the technical front. The stock, we are looking for a target of 111. We already initiated a buy call at 104. One can take a long positions at the CMP as well by maintaining a strict stop loss of 99. Coming towards the banking sector, Equitas Bank is really doing very well. This particular counter is very well placed above all the important moving averages. So one can take a long positions. It's slowly and steadily it's moving ahead towards 210 level. One can take a long position at by maintaining a strict stop loss of 97. That's it from my end. I request Nirav to take a call for.
Yeah, thank you, Swati. On the derivative front, see the overall data is still positive. The VIX has now come down towards the 12 levels, 12.8 odd. So that's quite positive. As we have already been saying, Once the event is over, the VIX would have come down, and now we can see a good upside post that VIX is coming down. Importantly, the PCR has jumped a bit, but definitely there is still more scope. 23,500 is a small resistance area for Nifty. However, we see the highest call base is around the 24,000 level, so we can see further upside in Nifty up to those 24,000 odd levels. Nifty will continue to perform going forward. So continue to remain long. Now your stop loss should be around 23,400 for longs. If that is broken, you can see some for selling post that only. But until then, it's a clear road at this point of time. Uh, from the stock specific front, we see good upside in banks. Mostly all the banks should perform. A lot of short covering action is seen in banking stocks in the past few days, and that should continue, and some longs being built in as well. So we can see a good upside going forward for these stocks. Yeah, that's it from my side. I'd like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Good morning. A request for proposal has been issued by the Ministry of Defence for procuring 156 light combat helicopters. This is positive for Hindustan Aeronautics. J&K India, the newly listed company, has received two orders having size between 350 crores to 500 crores each from Reliance for gas cracker units and debottlenecking projects. That's positive for J&K India. IIFL Finance result was okay. P&L performance improved, although asset quality deteriorated due to higher delinquencies in gold. Core profits increased nicely by 30% sequentially and 60% year on year. AUM came at 79,000 crores, which was up 2% sequentially, 22% year on year. Gross NPA came at 2.3% against December quarter's 1.7%. The increase was mainly led by gold loans. If you recall the regulatory action imposed on the company on disbursing fresh gold loans, RBI had stopped it. So that has impacted the business. However, RBI completed its special audit recently, and IIFL is now awaiting RBI's review and expects a positive action soon. Stock is also trading cheap at 1.7 times trailing price to book. So if any positive regulatory action comes from RBI, then stock can do well from here. Thank you.
Good morning. TCS has been fined for about 1,600 crore rupees by a US court for a case filed by a US company, Computer Sciences Corporation, on charges of some misappropriation of trade secrets. However, TCS in the filing with SEBI has also said that it has strong arguments on the matter and would appeal against the judgment, and that it would not have any material impact on the financials. So sentimentally, this could be a negative for TCS. Secondly, today one IPO is getting listed on bourses, the Alert Revenue Technology. It operates an online travel agency under the brand name Exigo. So travelers book their train, flight, and bus tickets through this platform. The issue size was of 740 crores, and post listing market cap would be around 3,600 crores. The company plans to make acquisitions spent on technology and would meet its working capital requirements through the proceeds. So we had given a neutral rating on the stock, citing highly priced against its peers. That's all from me. Thank you.
Yeah. Apart from this, Hindustan Oil Exploration had said that one of the problems which was faced by them in the takeout of their oil and gas was the wax which got deposited in their export pipeline, which has now been resolved and cleaned up. So now the production, there is a high probability that the production can increase from here. They are struggling since last 1.5, 2 year for to take out the oil and gas from the uh, B80 field at full scale. Uh, this time it seems like all things have cleared and now the production can start. I think things will be known in a few days, but there is a probability that the production can increase. Right now, they are doing oil production of around 1,200 barrel per day, which can company has indicated that it can at full level can do up to 5,000 barrels. And gas also they are producing around 2 mmcmd, which can they had indicated that they can do up to 10 mmcmd. So if both happens and they come up with the full productions, then the revenue and profitability will improve materially from here. So outlook seems positive for Hindustan Oil Exploration. Apart from that, Zomato has said that they are in talk with Paytm for acquisition of their entertainment business. If that happens, then it will act as positive for Paytm. As per news reports, the valuations can be anywhere between 1,400 to 2,000 crores. So that will act as supportive and positive for Paytm. So looks positive on that also. So that's all from us. Now commodity team can take up.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So in today's session, we are expecting gold prices to pull back. We can initiate a buy with a stop loss of 71,250. On upside, we are eyeing for 71,800 to 72,000. Silver also, one can buy at around 88,900 with a stop loss of 88,200. On upside, again, it can test 90,300. Uh, and if breaches and sustains above 90,300, then it can move up till 91,000. And copper prices are supportive at 845. So one can maintain a stop loss of 845, and we expect prices to test 855, 858 on upside. Zinc also, one it can test 260, 261. So buying with the stop loss of 255 is recommended. Crude oil, one can initiate a buy around 66.20 and maintain a stop loss of 65.50. On upside, again, it can test 6,700, 67.50. In natural gas, prices have corrected and tested the support area at 235, 230. So buy with a stop loss of 225 for a pullback. On upside, again, 240, 245, where one can take profits. So that's it from us. Thank you very much.